Alright, hello everyone. So today I will be explaining the game CrossNet. CrossNet is a very interactive and fun game that you can use in your gym class. You can use it either outside or inside, and it's basically just a combination of both Foursquare and volleyball. Now before I get into the explanation of the game, I first kind of want to demonstrate how to set up and how to use the game. So basically, CrossNet will come in a bag. All the parts will be ready for you. You just basically, if you want to play outside, you have to put these pads in and connect them to these poles here. Or if you're inside, they come with sandbags that you can use, and you basically just put it on here on the sides of the poles, and they will stand up beautifully for y'all. And the CrossNet is also very adaptable. These poles come in different heights, so you would just take out number 3 pole here and connect this pole down here, and then you have it lower. Then it's more accessible for people in wheelchairs, maybe students with special needs, or you can just eliminate this entire thing and just set the boundaries so it's easy just to play that way. Now I'll kind of get into the explanation of CrossNet. So basically the way it works is there's 4 quadrants to the game. You have quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3, and quadrant number 4. Now quadrant number 4 is a special quadrant because that's the only way you can gain points as a player. As long as you're in this quadrant here, you're able to collect points when it goes into any of the other 3 squares that are on the field. So yeah, once you score a point, or once you get it into one of the other squares, then someone else will join, and so forth. So basically how the game works is quadrant number 4 player will serve it. It's quadrant number 2, and once quadrant number 2 starts playing and hits it to another quadrant just once, you can only hit it once, then the game is live. Once a player number 4 gets 21 points, that's when the game is finished. However, it can be a decently long game as there's a lot of rallies and a lot of other players that will be receiving points too. Now, for example, if you're in quadrant number 3 and it gets served over and it gets hit to you, and let's say you get quadrant number 4 out, then you will rotate to now quadrant number 4 and you will be in number 4. And then everyone else will then rotate. Even the kids on the sidelines will come in and the game will continue. And as long as no one is at 21 points, the game will be continued. And note for the spectators on the side and some of your other students, they will be encouraged to cheer on the kids who are playing initially. It's a very kind of cooperative sport, and kids can start cheering each other on and rooting for some of maybe the underdogs, and it's a great way to see some school spirit happen. Other than that, for myself, I would be using this in a volleyball unit. I think it's a great way to practice some skills with either volleying or bumping or serving, and just a way to practice without being so competitive with an actual volleyball game. As you know, volleyball can sometimes feel like you don't get as many touches of the ball. However, in this game, you're always touching the ball. You're always getting a chance to volley and bump it to some of your teammates there. So yeah, that's kind of CrossNet in a nutshell. I hope you all enjoyed the game and will use it in your class hopefully. So, thank you.